Good morning, children. We are going to learn about calculate the mean by the new method, that is the second method only, assumed mean method. By formula mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di whole divided by n, or n instead of n we can write sigma fi also, or x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Here what is the a means? Assumed mean. That means first only we are assuming this is the mean. See, then if our answer is assumed mean is more, then our answer will be subtracted and we'll get the correct mean. And we got less mean only we assumed, then it will be added and we'll get the correct mean only. So nothing to worry about that one. We will assume the thing and finally we are going to get the correct mean only. So we can try this method also, ungrouped data. That is the first example. Find the mean by assumed mean method. So here already the ungrouped data is given 800, 820, 860, 900, 920, 980 and 1000. FIR corresponding frequencies are 7, 14, 19, 25, 20, 10 and 5. So what is the next step? Solution we can start, but here assumed mean method is there. So you are hearing first time, so little careful you take and listen the steps, then it will be easy for you. So solution I will write. Now xi, the first column, 800, 820, 860, 900, 920, 980, then 1000. Okay. Corresponding frequencies I'll take down 7, 14, 19, 25, 20, 10, then 5. Now listen, 7, 14, 19, 25, 20, 10, 5. So what we should do first means, see the observations here, 800, 820, 860. Here 920, 980, 1000. So 900 is dividing the data here. So mid value is there. So we are assuming that 900 is our assumed mean. A I am writing here. See, A. Either this side or that side I can write, because space is less, so I have written this side. So if two values are coming here, odd number is there, so directly we are getting. Suppose you are having 860 is coming in the middle, 900 is coming in the middle. Then one of them you can choose. According to that your answer will change. You will learn that one. Don't worry about that one. So here middle value is there. That is why we are assuming that A equal to 900. Right? So next step is, if you remember the formula, di is coming. Di means xi, that is observation minus A, which is 900. So I'll write here xi minus 900 only. So which is xi? 800 minus 900. So what is the answer? 800 minus 900. First sum only I am writing like this. Next time onwards we'll write 100 directly only, minus 100. Which is the next one? 820 minus 900. So again minus 80. 860 minus 900. So minus 40. So 900 minus 900, what will get? 0. So above 0 you are having some negative values. What is the below zeros? Xi we should write first. So 920 minus 900. So your answer is 20. Next, 980 minus 900. So your answer is 80. Next, 1000 minus 900. So your answer is 100. So here if you are adding, most of the time you will get 0 only. Here we are not adding. What is the formula for us? Fi di. Actually in direct method we are having Fi xi is there. Here the change is that Fi di. Fi di means which column? 7 into minus 100. The Fi column as well as di column should take the product. The first one is Fi to be multiplied with minus 100. So minus 700. Now 14 into minus 80. So it is minus 1120. Again 19 into 40. It is minus 760. Okay. Next 25 into 0, 0 only. 20 into 20, it is 400. Next 10 into 80, it is 800. Again 5 into 100, 500. So here you are having sigma Fi di to be calculated. So here what we should do means minus we should add here and plus we should add here. So minus if we add, what is the result we are getting? So if we add this one, we'll get minus 2580 here. Here plus 1700. So now we should add sigma Fi di equal to minus 2580 plus 1700. The answer is minus 880. So here some of the answers are negative, some of the answers are positive. According to that, cancellation happens. The final result is minus 880. One more step we should do. What is sigma Fi? It is 100. So what is the values we have got here? We'll take down. A, that is assumed mean equal to 900, sigma Fi equal to 100, sigma Fi di equal to minus 880. Now assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. What is our x bar? X bar equal to A plus, that is assumed mean, plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi, right? Or we can write n only. Both are correct only. What is assumed mean? 900 plus minus 880 divided by 100. So it is equal to 900 minus 8.8. It is equal to 891.2. See, our assumed mean is more. So we got this side is negative answer. So subtracted and we got 891.2. See, first example only we have done, you feel difficult only. Now when we are doing the one more example, one or two examples, that time it will be easy for you. Don't worry, one by one we can learn. Now which method we have learned? Assumed mean method. One more example we are going to do, that time it will be more clear to you. Ungrouped data is 9th class topic only. We are doing for grouped data. So we are doing one more sum with the same method only. So it will be clear to you. So what is the class interval? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60. What are the corresponding frequencies? 2, 6, 9, 7, 4, 2 only. Now what is the class interval? Solution means we should write one below the other. So class interval we will write here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60. All class interval are having 10 is the width. Now frequency. What is the frequency? 2, 6, 9, 7, 4, 2. Class mark should be calculated, right? So class mark we are writing. So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So naturally it is 5. Then what is the next? 20 plus 10, 30 divided by 2, it is 15. Then 25. Then 35. 45. Then 55. So now what is the next step? We have to assume one of the meaning to here, right? So see, we are assuming here means two class mark are coming in the middle, so which is that 25 as well as 35. So I assuming that 25 is our mean. First only what we should do, we should assume some mean, either 25 we can go or 35 we can go. So I am going for 25 only. So we have marked this is our assumed mean. What is the next step? Di. Di equal to, formula I will write xi minus a, that means xi minus 25, right? Last time I have shown full steps only, here now it is not required, just calculate 5 minus 25. So what is the answer? Minus 20. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 25 minus 20, so 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, it is 10. Then 45 minus 25, it is 20. 55 minus 25, it is equal to 30. So here also you can see that above 0 some di's are negative. The below the 0 it is positive. So according to our 25 assumed mean, values will change. If you are going for 35, above 35 the values are 0, below 35 the values are above 35 the values are negative, and below 35 corresponding values will positive we will get. So what is the next step? Fi xi we are using in the direct method. Here we should go for fi di. If you are having confusion, please put the tick mark here. Don't consider this xi, right? So fi di to be multiplied 2 into minus 20 minus 40, then 6 into minus 10 minus 60, 9 into 0, 0 only, 7 into 10, 70, then 4 into 20, it is 80, 2 into 30, it is 60. What I told next, here you should minus summation, here you should plus summation. So what is the sum here? Minus 100. Then what about here? Here 210. So negative and positive we got. Now sigma fi di to be calculated. So minus 100 and plus 210, your answer is plus 110 only. What is the next step? Sigma fi to be calculated. It is 30, right? Now what are the values we are having that should be taken down? Next, a equal to 25, sigma fi equal to 30, then sigma fi di equal to 110, right? Now formula x bar a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi we can write, or n we can write, right? Now just substitute the values. 25 plus 110 divided by 30. So 25 plus 11 by 3. So 25 plus 3.666. So correct it to 2 decimal. 25 plus 3.67. So the final answer is 28.67. So mean equal to 28.67 only. So once again, what are the steps? Only changes is here di. Up to these 3 steps it's correct. Class interval, fi, xi. After that, assumed mean to be taken. Then di to be calculated. After calculating di, what we should do? Fi di. Instead of fi xi in the direct method, we have to go for fi di. And what is the formula change? Assumed mean will come in the formula. So a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Now substitute the values, it will be clear to you now. The answer is 28.67. Find mean. Class interval 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. Frequency 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2, 1. See here our frequencies are very small only, and we can go for a direct method also, but we are learning assumed mean method, so we are using that only. So solution now. So as usual, our first two columns are same only. One is class interval, then Fi, then what is the third? Xi. Till now there is no doubt, I think. So we'll complete that one first. 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. Corresponding frequencies are 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2, 1. Now Xi. 15 plus 25, that is 40 divided by 2, it is 20 only. It is 60 divided by 2, then 30. So you can see that it is 10 is the width. Here also 10 is everywhere 10 only. So we can add and go 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80. Now up to here it is a direct procedure only. What is the next step? We should assume one of the mean. So here 1, 2, 3, here also 3. So directly we are getting a middle value. So we will write like this. So assumed mean we have taken as a 50. What is the next column? Di equal to xi minus a. I can write, instead of that I am writing xi minus 50. So xi is, first observation is 20. 20 minus 50 minus 30. 30 minus 50 minus 20 minus 10. Here 0. Now 60 minus 50 will come. 10, 20, then 30. Don't add here. We are not calculating sigma di. If you add, everything will get cancelled. You will get 0 only. What is the next column we required? Fi di. Just put the tick mark which column you are going to multiply. 6 into minus 30, minus 180. 11 into minus 20, it is minus 220. 7 into minus 10, minus 70. Next 4 into 0, 0 only. 4 into 10, 40. 2 into 20, again 40. 1 into 30, 30 only. So here I have to solve, means add all the negative terms, here all the positive terms. What is the sum here? 0 minus 470. Now what is the sum here? 110, because 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11 only. So 110. So here we should subtract 470 and 110. So here I should write sigma Fi di minus 470 plus 110. It is minus 360, right? Now what is the one more step? We have to sigma Fi. Sigma Fi, if we add 35. It is 35. After this, what is the step to be taken down? We have to write what is the assumed thing. That is assumed mean equal to 50. And what else we have calculated? Sigma Fi equal to 35. Sigma Fi di equal to minus 360. Now what is the next step? Write the formula. Assumed mean method. Assumed mean. We are assumed there. This is the mean. Assumed mean method. What is x bar? X bar equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. So if you are having problem with the sigma fi, what we should write? N also we can write. Now what is the substitution now? It is 50 plus minus 360 divided by 35. 50 minus 10.28 approximately, it is equal to 39.72. So we got mean for this data equal to x bar equal to 39.72. See, I think the steps are clear to you. Practice more. This is the new concept you are learning this year. So with this, today's class I am winding up. The next class, one more method is pending, that we'll learn.